System backup files contain NVR configuration information. When the backup file is applied, the NVR is restored as per the saved configuration. Please note, only a licensed server can be restored. Navigate to System, Backup and Restore, select the Restore tab. Select the Choose File button and navigate to the backup file that you have created previously. Click Open. Click the Upload Backup button. A warning message is displayed. Click Yes or No. It is important to note that media recovery can take a long time, approximately 1 minute per 100 gigabytes of storage. Wait for the backup to restore onto the system. This may take some time. A success message will be displayed if the restore was successful.